All right, here we are in Chelmsford, Mass. We have a client here who has a 11-year-old Will McLean steam boiler that has cracked and failed prematurely too. We've discovered that this boiler was grossly oversized for the house and the needs, so this thing suffered from short cycling. And we also discovered that whoever installed it could not have been a plumber because they tied in a water heater and then piped the vent downward, which is absolutely illegal and dangerous and deadly, because then carbon monoxide gas can flow right out of the flue collector here, the draft damper rather, and allow the carbon monoxide to go through the house. Now, this is an old drafty house, so I think that's what saved their lives and they didn't die from carbon monoxide. But we're going to fix all of that up today. First thing I got to do is get this old unit out. My son Mike is on his way to pick up all the materials. I'm going to cut out all of the old piping here and get ready to get this boiler moved out of here. We'll talk to you later. Right, we're at the final stretch here. We got Big Frank Bagnani getting this baby wired up. Here's our new steam boiler, Peerless. Now the vent is no longer going upside down. The water heater. There you go.
Yourself on the back.
Here we are now with the finished product. We got our properly sized Peerless steam boiler in here. Everything's heating up nicely. 3-inch riser, steam riser there going into our header. Automatic fill with a bypass. Piped in if you wanted to manually add water. We have a blow down purge station for skimming. We've added the boiler cleaner, so that'll clean all the rust and sediment out of the system. Everything's wired up. The new water heater properly vented. No more carbon monoxide risk in the house, and we even added a code required smoke and carbon monoxide detector there. If you're interested in getting your system replaced, please go to DeBarcoPlumbing.com. I'd be happy to come out and give you an in-home evaluation. Take care.